Hello friends, welcome to Krishna's Tech Info. In this video we can see how to monitor Linux server and process metrics from browser using Scout Realtime tool. The Scout Realtime is a simple and easy to use web-based tool which is used for monitoring Linux server metrics in real time. It provides information with the smooth flowing charts about the metrics gathered from CPU, memory, disk, network and processors in real time. So we can see this installation in Ubuntu machine now. First we can install the rubygems package. So can run the apt-get install rubygems. Now give us to download and install the packages. Now the package is successfully installed. Now we can install the Scout Realtime tool using the gem command, gem install Scout Realtime. Now give enter. Now it is installing the Scout Realtime tool. Now the installation is completed. So now we can run the Scout Realtime tool using the scout_realtime command. Now you can see you can access the Scout Realtime using the web browser with the IP address and port. It is listening on port 5555. So the IP address is 192.168.1.28. Now enter your IP address colon 5555. Now you can see the Scout Realtime interface. So you can see the system information in the right side, which has the memory used and disk space used. Here you can see the CPU usage, disk utilization and everything in real time. At the bottom you can see the top 10 processes that are running. To check the logs you can use this scout realtime.log file. So here you can see the logs, and if you want to stop the process you can just run the scout realtime space stop to stop it. So in this video we saw how to monitor the Linux server and process metrics from the browser using the Scout Realtime on Ubuntu machine. Thanks for watching this video. Post your comments and suggestions. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell button to get instant notifications on my videos. You can follow me on this Instagram ID and Facebook page. For any queries you can reach me on this Skype ID.